AI won't disrupt your job in the future. It's already replacing it. IBM just laid off 8,000 employees. Amazon has cut over 27,000 roles. And Goldman Sachs says 300 million jobs are on the line. Now, not later. This isn't a forecast. It's a reality. And if you don't act in the next 90 days, you may never catch up. I've been tracking this shift daily through global hiring data, AI integration reports, and insider strategy briefings that never make headlines. This is why professionals tuned into SkillRise Hub move early, and why they're getting hired before others even realize their roles are disappearing. What I'm about to share isn't another motivational rant. It's the only actionable career plan that's actually working right now. While others are still debating if AI is overhyped, here's what most people still don't get. AI isn't coming for the future of work. It's coming for the present. 41% of employers are already reducing headcount because AI outperforms humans on speed, precision, and cost. Goldman Sachs projects 300 million jobs will be displaced globally. And the World Economic Forum just confirmed 92 million roles are being restructured or removed by 2030. That this isn't about low-skill roles anymore. It's about speed of adaptation. And most workers are behind. 66% of managers say new hires can't keep up with the skills their roles demand. And next year, 58% of professionals are planning to change jobs. But most lack the AI fluency to compete for the ones that matter. If you're in customer service, admin, or entry-level anything, brace yourself. Gartner predicts 95% of all customer interactions will be handled by AI in 2025. And administrative work? 95% of it is automatable. Right now, even creative jobs aren't safe. Content writing, copy editing, even junior design. AI is replicating and scaling output in seconds. But the most dangerous threat? The collapse of entry-level roles. Deloitte's Human Capital Trends report shows that the very jobs meant to launch your career are vanishing. Fast. Young professionals under 24 are more than twice as likely to fear AI will wipe out their opportunities. And they're right to. Because without experience, they can't compete. And without proof of AI capability, they'll never even get the interview. But here's where it turns. Because while most people freeze in fear, you're about to step into the only career framework that works in 2025. Protect, pivot, profit. And we start with Phase 1. How to protect your current income before AI replaces your role without warning. Let's get one thing straight. If you're not protecting your current role, you're already positioning yourself for replacement. Because AI doesn't announce itself with a pink slip. It creeps in as efficiency upgrades. And suddenly, your workload shrinks while your value disappears. So here's how you take control, fast. Step 1. Evaluate your automation risk. Is your work repetitive, rule-based, data-driven? If yes, you're in the danger zone. But don't stop there. Document what AI can't replace. Strategic thinking, human connection, complex decision-making, creative problem-solving. That's your moat. That's what you double down on. Next, start integrating AI into your workflow immediately. Use ChatGPT to draft reports, polish emails, and prep presentations. Automate admin tasks with Zapier or Make.com. Use Perplexity for deep research and Notion AI to organize and manage projects at speed. Now, don't just use the tools, track the gains. Time saved, quality improved, response times cut in half. These metrics aren't just productivity wins, they're career protection receipts. Here's the unlock. Once your manager sees you're not resisting AI, you're leading it. They start seeing you as a multiplier, not a cost center. And that buys you breathing room. But protecting your current income is only phase one. Because the highest leverage move in this economy? Pivoting into sectors where AI can't compete with human judgment. And that's exactly where we go next. If you're still in a role AI can easily replicate, survival isn't enough. You need to pivot, strategically, and now. Because while AI is erasing jobs in admin, content, and customer support, it's creating massive demand in areas where machines still need humans. Let's break it down. Healthcare professionals, nurses, therapists, diagnostic specialists are seeing 15% to 38% job growth. Why? Because AI can analyze data, but it can't replace empathy or complex care. AI governance and ethics is exploding. Salaries over $150,000, 0% automation risk. The reason? Machines don't understand values. You do. Cybersecurity is another growth zone. With adaptive threats and new attack surfaces from AI tools, the need for human oversight is climbing. 32% job growth and rising. Even leadership and people management are becoming more valuable. Because steering an AI-augmented workforce takes emotional intelligence and strategic vision AI can't replicate. So what do you do with this info? Start with lateral moves. If you're in marketing, move toward AI campaign ops. In HR, shift toward AI-enabled talent development. Already technical? Layer on AI ethics or automation architecture. Then start skill stacking. Blend your domain knowledge with one AI tool, plus one human-centric superpower, like strategic thinking or emotional leadership. This is how you build a career moat. Not just switching jobs, but switching into roles AI strengthens, not replaces. And finally, look at the industries where AI and humans are already collaborating. Healthcare, education, cybersecurity. That's where your pivot has the most upside. But here's where it gets even more powerful. Once you've protected your income and pivoted to a defensible track, you're not just reacting anymore. You're in position to profit from the AI economy at a premium. And that's exactly what we do in Phase 3. Now we flip the script, because once you've protected your current income and pivoted to an AI-resilient path, you're not just safe, you're positioned to profit. Here's what most people miss. AI isn't just eliminating jobs, it's birthing entirely new income streams. And the professionals earning six figures in 2025? They're already building them. Let's talk numbers. AI implementation consultants are charging $150 to $300 an hour, just to help businesses integrate ChatGPT, Zapier, and Perplexity into their operations. Prompt engineers, yes, that's a real title, are pulling in up to $200,000 a year to craft the right inputs for optimal AI output. AI-human collaboration designers are creating the workflows where humans and AI work together, maximizing speed and quality. And one of the fastest-growing paths? AI governance specialists, ensuring responsible, ethical deployment of machine intelligence across industries. These roles are growing at over 40% annually. So how do you get in? Start with this 90-day execution roadmap. Days 1 to 30. Get certified Google AI Essentials or IBM Applied AI. Set up your stack. ChatGPT Plus, Claude, Perplexity, Zapier. Integrate AI into your current role and document productivity wins. Join AI-forward communities on LinkedIn, Discord, or Slack. Days 31 to 60. Take industry-specific AI courses. Whether it's Deep Learning.ai, Microsoft Azure, or Salesforce AI Cloud. Build 2 to 3 portfolio projects. Run informational interviews with people already working in AI-augmented fields. Days 61 to 90. Publish AI case studies on LinkedIn. Apply to 5 AI-integrated roles or consulting gigs per week. Launch a side offer. AI tool setup, workflow design, strategy coaching. Develop your career moat. Your unique mix of AI tools and human skills. Because when you package your expertise plus AI fluency plus real results, you unlock income multipliers. Freelance consulting, $150, 500/hour. AI-enhanced services, 3x the going rate. Training and speaking, premium fees to teach what others don't yet know. And it gets better, because as you position yourself as an AI-native professional, your network evolves. Clients become collaborators. Recruiters become advocates. Opportunities start chasing you. But only if you take action before the window closes. And in this final push, I'll show you what separates those who thrive from those who get left behind. The final push. Choose your side of the divide. Let's be real. In the next 12 to 24 months, there will be two types of professionals. Those who use AI to multiply income, output, and opportunity, and those who get used by AI, outpaced, outdated, and out of work. The difference? It's not who has the fanciest tools. It's who executes relentlessly in a short window of time. Because right now, you still have the edge. You still have the chance to white heavy checkmark learn the stack. White heavy checkmark build your brand. White heavy checkmark launch offers. White heavy checkmark pivot industries. White heavy checkmark leverage AI to lead, not lag. But this window won't stay open. When the market catches up, competition gets brutal. When everyone's AI literate, being AI literate won't matter anymore. What matters is what you do with it right now. The choice is binary. Evolve or be replaced. No fluff. No hype. If you don't take bold action in the next 90 days, you'll fall into the growing group of workers watching and waiting while opportunities vanish. But if you move now, if you build proof, publish value, and make yourself indispensable, you join the 1% who don't fear the future, because they're building it. Your next step. Don't skip away and save this for later. There's no later in the AI economy. Only faster and left behind. White heavy checkmark choose your certification. White heavy checkmark audit your skills. White heavy checkmark post your first AI case study. White heavy checkmark launch your first AI enhanced offer. Then comment below. I'm building my AI career moat. I'll know you're serious, and I'll show you what to do next. This is your inflection point. White heavy checkmark share this video with one colleague who needs to hear it. Because in this economy, AI won't replace you, but a person using AI absolutely will. So, are you watching the shift or leading it?